à tous, je m'appelle Alexandra Salomon, avec moi Shailley Singh du IAB Tech Lab. On vient des États-Unis, je suis moitié française, moitié américaine, d'où mon français, mais malheureusement ma présentation est en anglais, donc je m'excuse, mais il va falloir que je présente les slides en anglais. The theme here is to go faster and further with global standards. What is IAB Tech Lab? IAB Tech Lab is a global nonprofit development consortium charged with producing global standards for the digital advertising industry. And you may already know a lot of our standards. So standards like VAST, VPAID, OMSDK, OpenRTB, DigiTrust, a lot of these are very familiar to them, to you and to all of us. Not always associated with IAB Tech Lab. So hopefully now you will know what we stand for. Sorry? Center? How do we work in the industry? IAB Tech Lab works very closely with the IAB organization in the US, IAB France, and IABs around the world for the connection with the development of the market. So IAB Tech Lab focuses on the development of standards, standardizations of protocols, specifications, software and tools, compliance programs, and supporting education through events such as this one. We are engaging and growing around the world. So the main thing here is that we're a global trade organization. Global because the development and of course the implementation of standards needs to be global. So we work with, as I said, IAB organizations around the world, but also with companies that are based in the US, but based in France, based in all sorts of different markets. The representation of this global industry and the media, the companies across the digital media ecosystem is what helps us build and implement these standards better. So we have about 750 members, about 30 different working groups, and over 2,000 people. Our board of directors is also global in scope and continues to grow. So here you have a number of the companies all our companies that are board members today, and hopefully next year you'll see a few more. So our mission, all this is to enable growth and trust in the digital media system. We do this through the engagement of member companies, and our strategy is focused in providing solutions for identity and data and privacy. So as Frédéric mentioned earlier, privacy is obviously top of everyone's mind, as is in IAB Tech Lab. Brand safety and ad fraud is another huge focus, along with measurement and ad experiences and programmatic effectiveness. So all of our different working groups and our different initiatives are aligned with these key strategies. And we do this, again, the areas of focus across the system, so ranging all the way from advertisers to consumers. These projects span the entire scope. And now looking a bit at our different themes and overview, I'm going to pass it over to Shailley to talk about those details.
Thank you. So like Alexandra mentioned, that we kind of divide our work into four major themes across the whole ecosystem, addressing needs directly from publishers right up to the needs of the consumers. The first one is, and which is the top priority today, is the identity, data, and privacy. So where we have different products like DigiTrust, we have content, the taxonomies to define the content and classify audience and ad products. And then, of course, we worked with IAB Europe over the last 1.5 years to build the transparency and consent framework to address the GDPR technical needs. And similarly, we are doing the work for the California Consumer Privacy Act, the CCPA, to define the technical specifications on how to implement the CCPA. And then, of course, we have something called Privacy Chain, which is a blockchain implementation of managing and maintaining records of privacy in an immutable manner. The second one on our priority is brand safety and ad fraud. This has become very key, especially because of brand safety reasons due to fake news that is top of mind on everyone. But even besides that, because the proliferation of user-generated content throughout the digital media, brand safety is the top of mind for advertisers. So we have products for content taxonomies there. We have open measurement, and then we also have products that address the fraud with ads.txt, and then sellers JSON and supply chain objects. And of course, in the ad experiences and measurement area, we have products. Our flagship product is Ad Product Portfolio that defines the ad formats for publishers and advertisers. And then we have products that help you deliver the experiences over video, over mobile, which is VAST and MRAID, and we have workshops later today on the video part. And of course, we have Open Measurement SDK. I'll talk about a little bit more about that later on in the adoption of our products. And then on the programmatic effectiveness